another behind the brand video. It's currently Saturday morning. Matt and I are about to head out. We're going to go take some photos of this dress I'm wearing. This is the one I made for a wedding a couple of weeks ago, and I'm currently in the process of drafting up the different sizes and perfecting the style to have it ready to purchase on roseryapparel.com. So I thought I'd take a photo of it this morning and share it on Instagram so people can start to see this new style I'm working on. After that, we're going to head to the Asian grocery store to pick up some ingredients for Okonomiyaki that we're going to make for lunch today. I'm really excited. I'm just craving it so much, and we're actually heading back to Japan at the end of this year, so I'm just getting really excited and yeah, really craving some Okonomiyaki. So let's go. I could seriously spend hours in here. There's just so much to look at, and it's really reminding me of Japan. It's making me very excited. So we have taken the photo. It turned out really good actually. I've just posted it onto Instagram, and we've just gotten back from the Asian grocer and we've picked up all our ingredients for the Okonomiyaki we're going to make. So these are the Tokyo books we've collected at the moment. Today we're cooking some Okonomiyaki from this Tokyo book that we picked up earlier this week in Hobart. So let me show you the recipe. Yeah, we kind of fell in love with this book pretty quickly. It's really cool. And the recipe we're making from it, I've got a bookmark here somewhere. Where is it? So this is what we're going to make today. It's so good. Can't believe we made this. Yum. So it's a few days later now. Today I'm going to be going op shopping, and I thought it would be fun to bring you along with me so you can see a little bit of my op shopping process and how I source my fabrics. It's always a bit hit and miss op shopping. Sometimes I find lots of things, other times I don't find anything at all, so hopefully I do find some things. If not, I still think it would be fun to show you. So far so good, and that was from just one op shop so far, so I have high hopes for today, I think. So I'm back home now, and that was actually a really successful op shopping trip. Let me show you what I found. So I've got a few pieces here that are recent op shop finds, but I didn't find them today, so I'll show you the ones I found today first. At the first op shop I went to, I found three amazing pieces. So the first one being this mustard floral dress. It's really hard to see, but it's really long, and it has long quarter length sleeves with a little bell sleeve at the end. It's also got this cutout with this like neck piece here. I mean, I like the dress, but I actually bought it because I think I will cut it up and use the fabric for something else. I was just really drawn to the fabric. It's a few sizes too big for me as well, so I haven't tried it on. I just picked it up because it was cheap, and yeah, I figured I could recycle the fabric from it. So I'll either make myself a dress from this, or I'll see if Matt likes the fabric and then maybe make him a shirt out of it. So that was the first thing. I was really happy to find that. Then I also found a few linen pieces, which is kind of rare to find good quality linen from the op shop these days. This one here is a tablecloth in this beautiful peach colour. And then I also at the same op shop found this amazing rust colour linen, and there's heaps of it. So I'm hoping to make a few new dresses for Rosery soon, so I think I'll make them out of this for sure. I just love this colour at the moment so much. This one's a hilarious find that I had to pick up. So Matt's really drawn to leopard print at the moment, and he's been wanting a leopard print shirt for ages, so I found this and took a photo of it straight away and was like, do you want this? Do you want me to make you a shirt out of it? It was only $7. It's just Playboy, which is really funny. It's got a big Playboy bunny on the front of it, but there's heaps of usable fabric. So he was like, yes, please. And so I picked that one up as well. I'm not a huge leopard print fan myself, but he, yeah, really likes it. And I think I will still maybe use the leftovers for something. And it's a really nice quality fabric. So that was a interesting find. So that's all the fabric kind of things I found today. I also found a few clothes bits. I found a new pair of Trenery leather look jeans, brand new, and they fit me perfectly, and I was really happy about that. So I definitely picked those up. Here they are. So they're kind of high-waisted and they're cropped, which for me is a winner because I have very short legs and I always need cropped jeans. So I was very happy to find those. And then I also just picked up, I think it's a Kmart top, but it was $4. It's just this beautiful olive green colour, and I just love ruffles, so I thought that would be a nice cozy one for home. And then I'll also show you some of my recent op shopping finds that I haven't shared anywhere yet. This is another linen piece, but it's a printed linen, and it's so beautiful. It's my favourite mustard colour floral with a little peach flower as well, and I just think it's so pretty. So that one will be made into some Rosery apparel soon. And then this one, which is a Doona cover, I thought that was a really nice one, and I'll recycle that into some new clothes as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with those finds. I always love how when I go op shopping, I find I must be like looking for a particular colour palette or something, because they all look so nice together, and I don't plan it because you don't know what you're going to find, but it always like kind of happens. I'll find a heap of things and they all kind of work together, so it's really exciting when that happens. So I hope you enjoyed coming op shopping with me. If you'd like to see more op shopping videos like this in the future, let me know, and I'll be glad to have Matt come with me next time so I can kind of talk through my process a little bit more. So today's been a pretty fabric heavy day actually, as well as going op shopping. I stopped into Spotlight and they had 40% off their fabrics. Here's a little his and her pile of fabrics. Matt had a few pieces he had his eye on as well, so that's his pile there. Very nice. And here's mine. Absolutely in love. I can't wait to start making some new clothes for our winter wardrobe. So now I'm going to spend the afternoon washing the fabrics. As soon as I get back from the op shop, I like to put the fabric straight in the wash just so they're clean and done. And then I can start sewing into them as soon as I need to. I'm also going to wash the brand new fabrics I bought today as well. It's always good to do that just to prevent shrinking once the garment is made. So yeah, it's just going to be an afternoon of washing and drying and all of that fun stuff. So it's now Friday the 3rd of May. Yesterday I spent the day filming a new video. It's all about how to recreate your favourite dress. And this is the outcome of it. So basically I took my favourite dress from my wardrobe and then drafted a pattern from it and then recreated it in a different fabric, and I'm just so happy with how it's turned out. I think it is the perfect new dress for my wardrobe. It's just like really casual but easy to wear with tights and boots. So really happy with that. This video I'm hoping will come out a week after this behind the brand. So if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, then be sure to do that so you can know when that video goes live. As for today, I'm going to be starting work at 2 o'clock, so I've got the morning off and I thought I would spend it making a dress. I picked up this polka dot rayon fabric as a remnant from work. It was just $2 for the piece. It's about 1 meter, and I think I can squeeze just a cute little t-shirt short sleeve dress out of it. I thought I'd film the making process, and yeah, let's make a $2 dress. dress. Excited to wear this one with some stockings, my boots and my mustard coat. I think it will look really cool. I also shared the making process for that one over on my Instagram stories, and I'm going to save it as a highlight to my profile, so I'll leave a link to my Instagram down below if you'd like to check that out. Anyway, I've got to get ready for work now, so I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.